हेलो। मैंने इस वीडियो में सी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज कैसे वर्क करती है एंड कैसे एग्जीक्यूट होती है इसके बारे में बताया है। हमें सोर्स कोड को एग्जीक्यूटेबल फाइल में कन्वर्जन करने के लिए 5 कंपोनेंट की ज़रूरत होती है, जो है कंपाइलर, इंटरप्रेटर, असेंबलर, लिंकर एंड लोडर। These five components are required for conversion between the source code into the object code. Now let us see first. Actually, C is the general purpose programming language. By using it, we can write the instruction for computers or programs. The instruction written in any programming language in human readable format is called as the source code. The instruction written in any C programming language is called as the C source code, and it's saved with .c extension. The file which contains the source code is called as the source file, and that file can store in the computer memory. When we write the source code, we require the standard library file. A standard library file होती क्या है? Actually, standard library file means it provides a lot of built-in features. It can perform all common operation. For example, program can perform common operation on input value, some output value, and also a programmer can perform on string value. Therefore, we require the standard library file. By using standard library file, programmer can easily write the program. Therefore, standard library file, by using this, we can write the easily program. This program store in computer memory as a computer file. Computer can understand machine code, but programmer can write the instruction in high level language. So we need to convert the high level language into the machine code, because computer can only understand the binary language in 0 and 1 format. So we require the conversion between the source code into the machine code. So we require the compiler. मीन्स प्रोग्रामर जो होते हैं वो हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज में इंस्ट्रक्शन राइट करते हैं जो कंप्यूटर को समझ में नहीं आती। कंप्यूटर को ओनली मशीन कोड लैंग्वेज समझ में आती है। इसलिए हमें अब हमारा जो सोर्स कोड है उसे कन्वर्ट करने के लिए कंपाइलर की ज़रूरत होती है। Therefore, compiler can convert the source code into the object code. Object code is the machine code which is understand to the computer. कंप्यूटर को ओनली मशीन लैंग्वेज समझ में आती है, जो मशीन लैंग्वेज मीन्स तो 0 and 1 फॉर्मेट में होती है, मीन्स बाइनरी लैंग्वेज में होती है। इसलिए हमें सोर्स कोड को मशीन कोड में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ता है। इस कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमें कंपाइलर की ज़रूरत होती है। Now let us see what is the compilation process and what is the compiler. Okay, it is the first stage of compilation process. Compiler is the first stage of the compilation process. First, source code go to the preprocessor. Actually, preprocessor is a program. It processes the source code due to the C compiler. Means preprocessor होता है वो source code को process करता है. Means some error, it can find some errors or some ashes, and then due to the compiler. Then C compiler can convert the C source code into the object code. This is a compilation in the C programming. The next thing is what is the interpreter. Interpreter also performs the same operation as like a compiler. It can convert the C source code into the object code. Compiler and interpreter can perform the same operation, but difference is that compiler can convert the whole program into the object code at the same time, but interpreter can convert the line by line program into the object code. Therefore, these are the main difference in the compiler and interpreter. Therefore, interpreter is faster than the interpreter is slower than the compiler. Compiler is very faster, interpreter is slower. This is the interpreter. Next one is the assembler. What is assembler? Assembler is a source conversion between the source code into the object code. This is another compiler. It can convert for conversion between the source code into the object code. Then next one is the what is the linker? Linker क्या होता है? Actually जब हम प्रोग्राम ऐड करते हैं वो प्रोग्राम हम डिफरेंट डिफरेंट फाइल में स्टोर करते हैं और उस फाइल को जो स्टोर करते हैं उस फाइल को हम ऑब्जेक्ट कोड में कन्वर्ट करते हैं बाय यूजिंग द असेंबलर कंपाइलर and interpreter. Then this therefore there are different object code is created and object code को लिंक करने के लिए हमें लिंकर की जरूरत होती है. Multiple object it can link the multiple object code into one file to get the executable file. Therefore we require the linker. This is also perform the very important role in the programming language. Next one is the what is the loader? Loader क्या होता है? Loader means it can load object code into the primary memory. Means loader जो होता है वो object code को RAM में लोड करता है and then preprocessor उसे execute करता है. Therefore executable फाइल को लोड करने के लिए हमें प्राइमरी मेमोरी में उसे लोड करने के लिए हमें लोडर की जरूरत होती है. And then preprocessor will execute this file. These are the all component of this. These are the all component in the programming language. This is a very important component in the programming language. Therefore, we understand each and everything very deeply. Okay, thank you.